Hey Christy, this is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. What are the chances? I was 7 minutes down the road, so I thought I'd come by and introduce myself. As you can see, we use video to effectively communicate with our clients, whether you're home or not. I was able to meet Dan in the back. He was cleaning up the deck, and I got some good options for you to get the deck low pressure soft wash cleaned. And we'll be able to do a low pressure soft wash on the siding as well. It looks like it's aluminum or steel. You don't want to hire anybody to power wash that. That'll be the last thing you want to do. You can see lap lines, remove some of the oxidation in the siding. So you're going to be super happy with our low pressure gentle detergent soft wash process on both your deck and your siding. I would encourage you to consider, while we're here, to get the best value, I'll create a multi-bundled service package. Bring in some of this organic growth on your shingles. This moss is pretty heavy. Now would be the time to take care of it. We'll do a treatment on the shingles, and then your shingles will be able to, fully dry out. That moisture trapped in the moss is going to accelerate the drying out process and the aging process of your roof. It's growing root structures into your shingles. And this is all we do. General exterior cleaning, low pressure cleaning. We're also a Roof Max dealer. This is a conditioning treatment to prolong and extend the life of your roof. I did leave a couple of flyers here on your siding that talks about how you can preserve and maintain the life of your roof with a conditioning spray-on treatment. It adds another 5 years life, and it's a great value compared to roof replacement or allowing deferred maintenance to catch up to you down the road. So my name is Eddie, owner-operator. Look forward to working with you. Call or text me with any questions. We do happen to have a job here next week, so if you pick an option, we can work you in on the same day that we're here and get you the best value. Thank you so much. Take care.
There is never a good day on your roof. Temperatures can climb to over 140 degrees, causing the roof to expand. Passing rain showers quickly cool the roof, creating rapid contraction, known as thermal shock. Your asphalt roof must remain flexible to withstand these extreme stresses. Oil within the asphalt allows for this flexibility. Depending on region, a roof begins breaking down between 7 and 10 years of age because the oil begins drying out of the asphalt, causing the roof to become increasingly brittle over time. With loss of flexibility, it starts to crack and begins slowly breaking apart, the same way cracks eventually turn into a pothole in an asphalt road. Roof Max is a 100% safe, all-natural food-grade oil. The spray-applied treatment quickly penetrates roof shingles, restoring flexibility and waterproofing protection. Each treatment is guaranteed to last 5 years and comes with a transferable warranty. And because Roof Max treatments are repeatable, a roof can be greatly extended past its expected life. Treatment is quick, clean, and very affordable. Get more life for less money, guaranteed with Roof Max, a powerful fusion of science and nature.